Alright, hello and welcome to today's video. So I actually got a question from one of my subscribers, and actually she was asking, she purchased a product I actually promoted recently, and she was asking how to assess her purchase. So if you buy products on WarriorPlus you don't know how to assess your purchase, it's very simple. It's very simple. I also buy products on WarriorPlus, which I also invest in courses and I learn. So it's very simple. Just log into your WarriorPlus account. Once you log into your account, just head over to the purchase history. You see the purchase history section right there on the drop down button. You see purchase history. Click on it, and then it's going to bring you right to this page. So you see the history of all your purchases, all the products you bought on WarriorPlus. So to actually access the download link, just head over here. You can see, click on the name of the products. Just click on the name of the product. So this is the last product I bought, and I think this is the same product my customer is also my subscriber is also having problem with. So just click ahead, click on the name of the product, and then it's going to take you right here. So this is, you can see, so thank you for your purchase. You can see this is the name of the product, secret email system, the vendor, and then you get every information about the products and the pricing. So to access the purchase, just click on the green button to access your purchase. So once you access the purchase, it's going to, once you click here, right here, it's going to direct you to the download page. It's as simple. I don't want to click on it, so it's not going to reveal the download link to the to this guy's offer. So that's just it. It's not as simple as that. So for every purchase, every product you buy on WarriorPlus, just go to the purchase history, and then you get access to that's where you'll be able to access your purchase. And if you have problem with it, you can always get support. But most times most of these vendors might not respond to you, so you need to actually either look for them on Facebook, or you get their contact email address. Yes, their Facebook or their contact email address. You look for it, not the one that's right here. So some people might actually respond here, but I'm not all my response. A lot of customers and buyers who complain about not getting support when after purchasing a product. So one thing again, why you might not access your delivery might be maybe if you use a different network. I think a different network, not sure. So because I think there was a time I lost access to a product I purchased. Yes, so I think it's because I used a second network to access it. Like I was using Glo, so maybe I used MTN or the other way around. So make sure you're using the same device and the same internet, the same IP you use to access your product. So it shouldn't look as if you're actually sharing the download link with someone else, or your affiliate purchase page with someone else. So I think that's just all about that. So now you should know how to check out your purchases on WarriorPlus. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question for me, you can always reach out to me on Facebook. There's a link under this video to access me on Facebook, or if you are on Telegram, yes, I'm also on Telegram. You can contact me on Telegram. I'm not available on WhatsApp for now. There's a link under this video as well to contact me. Join my support group on Telegram. So from there you can find my profile to reach out to me. So thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You'll find awesome videos on making money online and building your online business, and good products you can use to actually get your business firing online. So thank you for watching this video. My name is John Anaviolori. Enjoy the rest of your day, and bye bye.